Today is a historical day for the college, and we're excited to be able to celebrate the official opening of the Regional Workforce Training Center.
Our state is in the midst of a manufacturing boom. Drive48 is just the latest example of how manufacturing is making a breakthrough in the state of Arizona and a comeback in America. We're showing the nation what it means to welcome innovation in industry while creating high-skilled opportunities for people who work in high-tech industries who want to upskill their opportunities.
I believe this is the manufacturing and technology hub of the future in the United States.
Years ago, the American dream was centered around the notion of Made in America. Today, that dream is being powered by a new moniker, Made in Arizona, and we aren't going to slow down anytime soon.